Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Did you know why yawning is contagious? 1. Mirror neurons. Mirror neurons are a type of brain cell that are activated both when we perform a specific action and when we observe someone else performing that same action. 2. Empathy and social bonding. Yawning may have evolved as a way to enhance social bonding and empathy within a group. 3. Contagion response. Yawning could be a subconscious response to seeing someone else yawn. 4. Age and contagiousness. Studies have shown that the contagiousness of yawns varies with age. Thank you for watching. For more such interesting videos, please like and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.